In a time of great turmoil, one courageous samurai named Hiroshi stood against an entire clan fueled by loyalty and a sense of justice that could not be swayed. Haunted by memories of his fallen comrades, Hiroshi sought to challenge the oppressive clan that had taken everything from him, ready to fight for those who could not. As the days passed, Hiroshi honed his skills, knowing that the battle ahead would test not only his swordsmanship, but also his unwavering spirit against overwhelming odds. At the break of dawn, Hiroshi stood resolute on the battlefield, ready to confront the clan that threatened his honor and the freedom of his people. In the heart of the clash, Hiroshi fought valiantly, each swing of his sword echoing his resolve, proving that one warrior's courage can indeed stand against the tide of an entire clan. As night fell, Hiroshi reflected on the cost of victory, burdened by the lives lost, yet proud of his fight for justice and freedom. With a heavy heart but renewed purpose, Hiroshi began his journey back to the village, knowing that while the battle was won, the true fight for peace and healing had just begun.